I'm glad I asked this because I'm gonna map out where the breaks were, and I want you to tell me if they make more sense to you. Okay?
Okay.
Because you're right. Those were breaks of structure, but I want to illustrate it visually so you can get a better understanding of how you can see the break. Okay?
Okay.
So here it is. This is one. Okay, and here is another one. Okay, so do you see those breaks?
Yeah, because when they made the high,
Right.
they came back down and went higher.
Right, and it broke above this high. So these were all. These were all the highs. Okay, right here, and then price broke them up in this area. Price broke them up in this area. Are you getting what I'm saying with these breaks of structure?
Yeah, I'm trying to just understand when you said that we count the highest level of the wick too as a high.
Yes.
Okay, I'm beginning to feel it.
Yes. So that's a great question, but the answer is yes. So I just want to point this out so that again, as you guys are following along and looking at the structure that Chris is identifying, you can kind of piece it together for yourself, right? We were breaking highs, but now it seems like we're potentially going to start breaking some lows, right? We don't know, but we'll see how this goes. We'll see how Chris does it. But I just want to make sure that you're identifying breaks of structure, right? Which you are. It's just you were going by, you weren't really going by the top of the wick, right? You know what I mean? You saw that it's on higher and you called it right, but you kind of you kind of didn't include the wicks. That's all. So anytime you're dealing with the highs, we're going to include the wicks, and that was your question, and that's why I said yes. So
okay, I got a quick question too.
Yeah, absolutely. No.
That I mean, the feather you got when we drop down,
Mm-hmm.
go back to that last low.
Right here.
Would that be a break of structure if we get down past that, coming down? Would that be our first?
It'll be a change.
Okay, I change the character. Okay, because it's going the opposite way.
Yeah, very correct. Everything right now is still up. Run, pull back, run, pull back, run, pull back. This is a low. This is a higher set of higher lows, equal high lows. This is another higher low, right? And this will potentially turn into a higher low, right? We don't know. So again, still uptrend structure, and it's only until we break below that low that you just referenced right here is when we'll have our change of character from going up to down for the first time. You with me?
Yep.
All right, Chris, back on you. So that was it. I just want to make sure you understood those breaks of structures, and now it seems like you're killing two birds with one stone because you asked about the what's this going to be a break of structure, and you're realizing it's going to be a change of character now. So again, I feel like that's going to help everything keep coming home to you when you are trying to identify breaks of structure versus changes of character. All right, but that was good. So Chris, let's go.